Hygienic Grooming. These replacement foils are fully washable and are stainless steel, which allows for easy cleanup and accurate cutting results. Bi-Directional Cutter Bar. The Bi-Directional Long Hair Cutter Bar will help shave your long hairs even after 3 to 4 days of growth, which will help provide unbeatable shaving results. Good as new, this shaver replacement head will help return your Wahl shaver back to its original 100% cutting performance. It's like getting a new shaver again. Recommended use. We recommend replacing the heads about once a year, in some cases every year and a half is acceptable. This is all dependent upon usage. The brand used by professionals. Wahl clippers and trimmers have been used by professionals in the salon barber industry since 1919, featuring self-sharpening precision blades, quality construction. Top reviews from the United States. Good value compared to other brands. After finding that the cost of replacement foil and cutters for my previous electric razor was more than a new razor, I bought a Wahl as the replacement cutters and foils are sensibly priced.